Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our online session. Hope you all are safe at home. Let's start with our today's new topic of general knowledge. So, in today's session, we will be starting with the second new topic of general knowledge, that is, facts about plants. So, before we start our topic, I would like to discuss with you all in short about the plants. That there are different types of plants such as trees, for example, mango tree, shrubs, for example, rose, herbs, for example, tulsi, climbers, for example, money plant, and creepers, for example, pumpkin. Also, there are different parts of a plant such as roots, example, radish and carrot, stem, example, ginger and potato, leaves, example, mulberry leaves, flowers, and fruits. So, understood, students, about the plants? If yes, let's start with the exercise now on page number 8. Open your textbook, all of you, page number 8. Name the following. Now, first one. See your students, the substance found in leaves and soft stems of plants which gives them green color. What is the answer? Chlorophyll. Means what? It's the green substance in plants that takes in light from the sun to help them grow. Understood, children? See the second one now. The process by which plants make their food. What is the answer here? Photosynthesis. Means the process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water into food using energy from sunlight. Now, third one. All that a green leaf needs to make food are sunlight, air, and water. That is, with the help of sunlight, air, and water. Now, fourth one. During daytime, the plants absorb carbon dioxide and release a gas which is called oxygen. Means a gas that you cannot see, taste, or smell. Plants and animals cannot live without oxygen. Understood, children? See the next one, fifth one. A plant which grows where it is not wanted. What will be the answer here? Weed. Now, weed is a wild plant that is not wanted in a garden because it prevents other plants from growing properly. Okay. See the sixth one now. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under this tree. Now, which tree? Yes, you can see the peak also there. People tree means the state of enlightenment means the state of having knowledge or understanding. That is the act of giving someone knowledge or understanding. Understood, children? See the seventh one now. Koalas love to eat the leaves of this tree. Now, which tree? Eucalyptus. The answer is eucalyptus. You can see the pic also aside. Now, here, first of all, I would like to tell you all the meaning of koalas. Koalas is an Australian animal with thick grey fur that lives in trees and looks like a small bear. And eucalyptus is a tall, straight tree that grows especially in Australia and Asia. Its leaves produce an oil with a strong smell that is used in medicine. Understood, children? It's we called it in Hindi as Nilgiri. Understood, children? Now see the eighth one. A special glass building in which plants can be grown all the year round. Now, what will be the answer here? Greenhouse means a building made of glass in which plants are grown. See the ninth one now. The wood of this tree is used to make cricket bats. What will be the answer here now? Yes, willow. Now, willow means a tree with long thin branches that hang down and which often grows near the water. You can see the pic also along with its children. See the 10th one now. A sacred plant for Hindu women which is worshipped in many homes. Even you all are aware of it. That is Tulsi. Yes, children. Tulsi. Tulsi or Vrinda is a sacred plant in Hindu belief. Hindus regard Tulsi as avatar of Lakshmi and thus the consort of God Vishnu. Understood, children? See the 11th one now. The plant whose leaves are used as plates in the southern and eastern part of India. What is the answer here? Banana. Yes, it means the banana leaf is the leaf of the banana plant which may produce up to 40 leaves in a growing cycle. Understood? See the 12th one now. Sugar is made from the juice of the stem of this plant. Now, it is quite understood, students. What will be the answer here? Sugarcane. That means a tall tropical plant with thick stems that sugar is made from. You can see the pic. Yes. Now, see the next one. Now, it's the time of quiz hour. Okay. So, let's see. Change one letter in each word to spell an animal. For example, dish. Now, with one letter, we have to spell an animal. So, with dish, what will match? Fish. Okay. Second one. Now, again, with the first letter, it should spell an animal. So, which animal? Yes, C means cow. Okay. Third one, care. Again, here, with the first letter, we should spell an animal. So, which animal with H? Yes, it should match with care. Which one? Hare. Very good. Understood, children, the first question? Now, see the second question. What is the female of the following animals called? Now, here we have to tell the female of the following animals what it is been called. For example, first one is cock. What is the female of cock? Is hen. So, cock is the male. This one male animal and female animal is hen. Second one, drake. What is the female animal of drake? Duck. Understood? Third one, dog. That is bitch. Understood, students? Now, third question. Now, here is the vice versa. Now, what is the male of the following animals called? Now, here they have given the female animal and we have to tell the male animal of that. So, first one, ewe, that is ram. Second one, vixen, that is fox. And third one, peahen. Then what will be the male animal of peahen? Is peacock. Understood, children? Next, fourth one. What is the young one of each of the following animals called? Now, Kangaroo. What is the young one of kangaroo? We called it as Joe. Next, owl. What is the young one of owl? Is owlet. Third one, cock. That is, the young one is called it as chick. Understood, students? See the fifth one now. What do you call a group of the following? Now, lion. So, pride. We called it as a pride of lion. Okay. And we have learned it in our collective nouns also. A pride of lion. Second one, sheep. So, what will be the group being called as? Herd. That is a herd of sheep. Third one, fish. So, what the group of this is being called as? A school. A school of fish. Understood, students? Quiz. If yes, let's move on to our next activity. That is, collect leaves of different trees and plants, dry them and paste in your scrapbook. Write their names also. You can do it as an activity also, students. So, I would like to discuss with you all the first one. Who makes food for the plant? So, your answer is leaf. That means leaf makes the food for the plant. Okay. Next, what changes it into a fruit? That is flower. Flower changes into a fruit. See the next one. Now, who fixes the plant in the ground? That one, that is root. Root fixes the plant in the ground. Okay, children. Next, what is necessary for the plants to grow? Yes, very nice. Even we all know water is necessary for plants to grow. So, water will come. Next, who carries water from the roots to the leaves? Obviously, stem. So, stem carries water from the roots to the leaves. Next, what grows into a new plant? That is, seed grows into a new plant. And what changes into a flower? A bird changes into a flower. Understood, children? This activity, it was so simple and easy to do. Now, we will see the next part, rapid fire. Just pay attention, students, all of you. With which animal would you associate the term cold and full? Now, here the answer is horse. Now, students, I would like to tell you all the meaning of colt. Colt means a young male horse, and foal means a young horse. So that's why the answer is horse, because both are related to the word horse, colt and foal. Understood? See the second one. Which animal cannot jump unless its tail touches the ground? So, kangaroo. Kangaroo cannot jump unless its tail touches the ground. See the third one. The African elephant is the largest animal on the earth. True or false? Students, it's false because it is the wrong answer. So, the blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. So, that's why it is false. It's not the African elephant. Understood, children? See the fourth one now. How do we describe the sound of wolves? Howl or bark? Now, bark we all know very well. Who barks? Dogs bark. So, obviously, the answer will come howl. Howl is the sound of the wolves. Clear, students? See the fifth one. Spider is an insect. True or false? Here again it is false because spider is not an insect. It is a type of small animal. It is like an insect with 8 legs. Spiders make special nets to catch the insects for the food. Understood, children? See the sixth one now. Which is the only mammal that can fly? Yeah. So your answer is bat. Bat is a small animal like a mouse with wings which flies and hunts only at night. Okay. Next. Seventh one. Chewing gum is made from the sap of which tree? Yes, children, chicle tree. Now, chicle here is a gum, a tropical American fruit tree. It is obtained as pinkish to reddish brown pieces. So that's why it is called as chicle tree. Understood, students? See the eighth one now. What fruit is used to make wine? As you all also know, grapes. Because wine is an alcoholic drink that is made from grapes or sometimes other fruit. Understood, children? See the ninth one now. What is the outer covering of a tree's trunk called? Yes, bark, as it is the hard outer covering of a tree. Tenth one. Which word is used to describe meat of a deer? So here some options are given here: beef, pork, venison and mutton. So here we will select venison. Why? It means venison means it's the edible flesh of a game animal and especially a deer. Meat that comes from a deer, or we can say the flesh of a deer. So we have selected venison here. Understood, children? See the 11th one now. The polar bear is the only bear which actively preys on humans. True or false? Students, it's true. Yes, because polar bear is a large creamy white carnivorous bear that inhabits Arctic regions. Inhabits means that lives in Arctic regions. Okay, students? See the 12th one now. What is a cygnet? That is a young swan. Now, cygnet is the young of a swan. Young of a swan is called as a cygnet. Now, see the 13th one. Can you complete the simile? As cunning as dash. Yes, as cunning as a fox. Now, fox means as cunning as. Simile means here. Simile is a word or a phrase that compares something to something else using the words like or as. For example, as cunning as fox. Okay, children, see the 14th one now. What is the only type of a bird to fly backward? Yes, hummingbird. Yes, that means hummingbird is a small nectar feeding tropical American bird that is able to hover and fly backwards. Understood, children? What is the name given to a group of lions? A pride. Pride means a group of lions. Pride means which makes us feel pleasure, feeling of pleasure. So, a pride of lions. Next, what do silkworms eat? Mulberry leaves. Yes, the leaves of which are used to feed the silkworms. So, mulberry leaves. Next one. What names are given to the male and female pig? Boar and sow. Now, I would like to tell you all, boar means a male pig, that means a wild pig, and sow means an adult female pig. Understood, children? Which bird can run fastest? Here, the ostrich. Yes, children, here I would like to say you all, ostriches do not fly but can run faster than any other bird. They are the largest living bird species and have the biggest eggs and eyes of all living birds and of all land animals. So, ostrich. Okay, children. Now, where does an amphibian live? So, amphibian lives both in water as well as on land. That is, both in water and on land. Now, how many legs does a crab have? So, crabs have 10 legs, as crabs have a very short tail and are covered with a thick shell. They are invertebrates, that is, they are the animals without a backbone and they have a 10 legs. Understood, children? So, I hope all have understood this rapid fire very well. Now, after this, children, next page number 12 and 13, some amazing facts, and on page number 14 and 15, historical facts. Students, you have to do this both the pages, 4 pages, as a reading part as a homework. Means you have to read it yourself, self learning. Okay, students, it's as a homework. Some amazing facts and historical facts, you have to read it yourself as a homework. Okay, students. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.